two concepts are Octane Raceway and Mavrix. Octane Raceway is indoor kart racing and entertainment venue with kart racing, virtual reality arena, axe throwing, and a restaurant. And then Mavrix is a bowling anchored entertainment venue with 22 lanes of bowling, huge arcade, laser tag, and great food and beverage and a sports bar. We offer all kinds of things. Between Octane Raceway and Mavrix, there's something fun for everyone to do. What drives us, honestly, is the customers, our guests. It's such a fun opportunity to be able to have thousands of people come in every year looking for something fun to do, whether it's racing, whether it's bowling, whether it's just shared experiences with their friends or family or coworkers. To be able to put that in front of people every day between Octane and Mavrix is awesome. Our best kept secret is how we try to give back to our community. Just the other week, we brought down a foster care organization, and it's all kids that live in group homes and all the volunteers that work with them. And they got to come down before we opened and have a private event, just them. And it's stuff they don't get to do all the time, and being able to provide those moments, those opportunities to let them experience normalcy maybe out of a life when it maybe isn't normal for them day to day is really cool. And we do tons of stuff like that, whether it's for schools, for raffles, or for raising money for charities. I mean, that's a lot of neat things that we do that it's not part of our core day-to-day what you see when you walk in our doors, but it's what we do behind the scenes. That's a neat thing, I think. For me, the most inspirational person in starting my business was my dad. He's always been a great supporter, and no matter what I wanted to do or what I kind of had my sights set on, was supportive of that. We would talk things through. He was a businessman here in the Valley as well, and just seeing kind of the trials and tribulations he went through and just that drive to be successful. It's been fun having him kind of along for the ride, if you will. I still talk on the phone every week or more often than that, and kind of house business and what we're doing, and just it's a great opportunity to kind of connect and just share those experiences, and it's been great. For us, just being a part of the chamber and being able to make those connections is a great value add to us. It's a small business community. We might be in the Metro Phoenix area of 4+ million folks, but to be able to bring that down, to distill it down to just the Scottsdale business folks and to learn from them and make those connections has always been something that we value a lot. For the future, I hope I envision more Octane Raceways and Mavrix, as we love what we do. We love to bring that experience to more folks here in the Valley, and if we look outside of the Valley, hopefully down the road that would be the case as well. But we love what we do, and going forward is just to keep bringing that fun entertainment opportunities to folks in our market, and hopefully more after that.